Yeah.
We'll be back for that thing tomorrow. All right, we're canoeing across Redfish Lake, and we're gonna backpack up to some other lake. I got Drew in my canoe. Drew, smile. That's the last one we're gonna get this trip. It's too windy, we're being blown back to shore. Land ho! All right, we got to the first spot and we're just unloading all the canoes. And Drew forgot some pants. So he's wearing his, I don't know what the, skirt. Yep.
Did you not see that?
You wanna see this?
No, look at it.
Look at this.
No, look right there.
You got some schmutz on your shirt.
You got some schmutz.
Look right here.
Genuine schmutz right here.
You got. You got this.
Why are you crawling?
My feet are bleeding. These rocks are razors. Oh man.
I'm gonna get back over.
So we're out here in the Redfish Lake campground area. We're gonna go make some dinner and eat some food. All right, so I was wrong. We're relocating to a new campsite, but we were able to tie our canoes down, cable them down and lock them so no one will steal them, because we have a big day tomorrow of backpacking. Check it out. All safe.
Pass me a backpack.
I wonder if you got my last...
Without losing your balance. I've got it. Go ahead and let go.
Cool. Well, good to see you guys. Thanks for waiting. Yeah. Coffee.
Yeah, it's packets.
The instant coffee is like...
All right, no one wants to join me for this late night plunge, so I'm doing it myself.
Oh, there's a dog.
Oh, shoot. Nice. I don't like dogs.
Oh my god. Dang, I just...
I'm gonna touch the bottom and get some sand for you guys. Joking. Look at this sand, come here.
No, we're
Get
good.
the GoPro on this. Look, look, look. Time to warm up. Cool dog.
that.
Might be leaving later than the rest of us.
Not everyone? All right.
Welcome all day.
But like I've heard Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman talk about, like they're eating nothing but boiled chicken.
I don't know a lot about plants, but I know for sure that's Indian paintbrush. You can do some stuff with it, like grind it up and have a red mush. Wow. One of the world's strongest sticks right there, holding that rock up. Whortleberries. Good job, Beck.
Thank you. I knew this. This plant can save you from cancer.
Stays like that.
Is it low or high mass stars live longer?
So if you have a picture of me right there in that pool.
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams, and then I saw her face. I'm a believer, and not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing. The more I gave, the less I got. Oh yeah. What's the use of trying? All you get is pain. When I wanted sunshine, I got rain. And then I saw her face. I'm a believer, and not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. What's the use of trying? All you get is pain. When I wanted sunshine, I got.
And the switchbacks have begun. Over there, there's a lake. And we're gonna get there and swim some more. I've seen these mountains. They're ginormous.
From misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way.
Some more switchbacks, but I feel that we're pretty close where we want to be. So we've been hiking for about maybe 45 an hour, and there is sign of a lake right over there.
This lake is pretty cool. Those switchbacks were killer.
What hiking shoe did you use?
Chacos.
Dad, you have a hole in your arm.
Does everybody Smurf?
Not
I do.
everybody.
I mean, I do.
I don't.
Probably 5.
How old are you in Pittsburgh?
Oh wow.
That was close. I bet Mexican bears are like, you guys, this is kind of my thing.
Good morning, people. Me and Beck were eaten alive. I feel like shit on my face. What the hell? And there's Will in his little tent.
Oh my god, I have not slept. I'm so tired.
Well, it's not me telling everybody.
Scoot in there, Finn.
Just swam in the water over there. It's pretty cold. I was the only one to do it too, so stay hard, like me.
Find the mother lode. This is the Huckleberry Challenge. I'm attempting it today. Here we go. 3, 2, and before I eat it, let's like and subscribe. 1, and before I eat it again, let's hear a word from our sponsors. Nah, just kidding. Now I'm all alone, hiking the woods.
You all have a good hike?
You too.
Today, we're going home.
Okay, so the way back is a lot quicker in my mind because I can actually see the end point. There it is, green kayak that we said we were gonna pick up. It's coming home with us. Check it out. It actually floats too.
You're not gonna use it. Wait, you have your paddle still, right? All right, we made it. Drew took the paddleboard all by himself while I was in the canoe. I think he's dead.